property on Calcutta, and we are in the east portion of Port St. Lucie. I'm going to take you out of the home west first. If you were to turn to the left, you would see a new home being built because it is a desirable area. And if you do notice, there is a stop sign at the end of that street as well. We're going to come out of here and we're going to go to the right versus going to the left. So let's head out of this community. So as you can tell, there are a lot of areas that do have the ability for drainage. There are not many sidewalks throughout this part of the community. There are lots of long driveways leading up to the home, which does allow for a lot of parking. You'll find that with many of the communities, there may not be any homeowners association, which means you don't have that additional dues and you can be a little bit more flexible with your home. If you notice through this community, you will be able to tell that some of the homes are built with frame, which is wood, versus some of the homes are built in CBS, concrete block. And that's a different type of construction versus wood frame. As you can tell, we made a loop around this street fairly quickly, and we're going to be coming up on that next stop sign. I'm going to take you out of here, out to some of the main streets so that you can get an idea of where you are. We are off of Durango and Calcutta in Port St. Lucie. There are still some areas that are open land, which does help so that you're not on top of one another or communities that are right on top of one another. Many of these homes were built with different home builders. The specific street that we came down was here to the left. Port St. Lucie is very diverse, as you can tell. There are lots of different types of homes. Some of these homes have larger yards and they do have longer driveways. As we come out, we're coming to Tiffany Avenue. And on this road, we're going to go ahead and take a right to head out. Actually, we're going to take a left to head our way out to the stoplight. As you can tell, when you get onto this street, it's a 30-mile-an-hour road that you come out to. Some of the homes being built right on this road. But as you can tell over here to the right, I don't know if you can notice, but there is a sidewalk so that you can walk, ride your bicycle, or whatever might be of interest. You're able to see some of the homes along this road. And as far as communities go, you're fairly close to the beach from here. You're on the east side of Port St. Lucie, which is very different than the west side. Most of the homes here are built in the same time frame, and I will drop in the years of the homes and when they were built. Bringing our way up to this first light. And as you can tell, the homes are spread out, so you do have a little bit of space between each of your homes. We're coming up on Leonard Road.